has issued a flood warning for southwestern Coshocton County, north central Muskingum County until 10:15 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain fell in the Warren area with reports of flooding continuing from Cooperdale towards Coatesville. Flooding expected. Estimated rainfall, more than 3 inches. Additional rainfall, none. Some locations that will experience flooding include Coatesville, Cooperdale. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Northwest South Pittsburgh. Turn around, don't drown. Most flood fatalities occur in vehicles. Here is a hazardous weather outlook.